So if you look up, you can see how easy it really is to carve it. It is also real easy for you to cut yourself. So please make sure, even if you don't use the printing plates, make sure that your hand is not directly in front. And take your time. You also want to turn the material instead of moving your hand. So you turn it, it'll be a little bit more helpful. I cut those in half because I was like, I didn't want you guys to have to try to worry about doing all those bigger ones. So I just cut them in half. That's why some of them might have something on the back. I take this one too? The phone one, right? Yeah, take a phone. Why you get a big piece of paper? Oh, wait. There's half piece of papers over there. I didn't see them. They were not affected, bro. Uh-huh. Well, you're gonna have to work on the peripheral. My eyes are open, but I can't see it. You're not cutting yet, so you don't need that. You get the, let me see what you got, because I don't think you did it right. Yeah, you didn't do it right. You need to get the plate. You need to get a styrofoam, get one of these, and then you get one of these. They're right there. Get a new paper, just throw that one away, tear it in half, trace it first.
So which one do I trace on first? Do I trace on that block or do I trace on the side?
Which one did you trace?
Yeah.
How'd you get this?
Oh, on through the phone.
Okay, so then this goes through the phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then after the phone, do I get it?
I do a different picture.
Okay.
Yeah. You can do the same thing, just change it up. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, don't use that tape. That tape too little. I just noticed. It's over where the color wheel is. Go down to the bottom, move over some. Yeah. Just take a piece off. You don't, because you don't want to tape all of it down because you want to still be able to see what you're tracing. Hello?
Hi, this is my friend.
You can't just be bringing up random people in here. No, sorry. You just gone. No. How did she not know you were not going to bring her to her doom? Me.
I told her she was going to
Me.
bring to her doom.
Yes. You know.